I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need the basics in place: account verified, two-factor enabled, and creator access. Once done, prepare a vertical 9:16 video under 60 seconds. Open with a strong hook in the first 3 seconds. Make sure to use trending sound or your own original audio, add captions, and pick a clear thumbnail. You're acting to increase chance of spotlight distribution. These setup moves trigger Snapchat's ranking signals and get your clip into more feeds fast. Now optimize how Snapchat evaluates your video. You want retention, so get attention in 0 to 3 seconds, hold momentum through 3 to 15 seconds, and finish with a compelling end card that encourages share or follow. Once you post, monitor analytics. Completion rate, shares, and new follows drive Spotlight's algorithm. Make iterative changes. Swap audio, trim to boost completion, or change thumbnail, and post consistently, 3 to 5 times per week, to compound distribution and discoverability. To collect money, enroll in Spotlight payments. Enter bank routing, tax form info, and verify your ID. Once approved, Snapchat pays based on performance pools or program rules. Check minimum payout thresholds and schedules. If a payment fails, update banking or tax details immediately. If your clips get low views, troubleshoot systematically. Re-encode to recommended specs, change tags and audio, repost at peak times, and test a /B variation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.